This is side lifts. For side lifts, our setup is we're laying on our arm and our palm is face up, fingertips reaching away and fingertips are together. Then we have a lifted feeling here using our obliques, so we don't want to sink down into it. We want to keep it lifted the whole time. And then we're like in between two panes of glass here until we get to our feet. We're going to have our feet forward just a little bit so we can have some more support for our back. The top leg is just like a heavy dead leg coming along for the ride. It's the bottom leg that's going to do the lifting and the work. As for your arm, you can keep your hand here, light fingertips. It's only here for support, so avoid leaning into it. Or for more of a challenge, you can play with it and put it here on your side. So we're going to go ahead and prepare. Inhale. And exhale, using my obliques to lift up and come back down. Exhale up. Inhale down. And you want to avoid rotating backwards or forward. And remember, your fingertips above your head are reaching away. So we have this elongated feeling from the fingertips to the toes. And let's do 2 more. Start over. This one is very, very, very hard to explain and count because I never count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, here we go. This is side lifts. For side lift, this is side lifts. For side lifts, we're going to lay on our arm, our palm is face up, actively reaching away, and our fingertips are together. We want to imagine we're in between 2 panes of glass right here, except when we get to our feet. We're going to bring our feet forward just a little bit. They're stacked, but we're going to do that to help protect our back. We're also going to lift up our obliques here, so we want to avoid sinking in. We keep this lifted throughout. As for your arm, you may place it here. More of a challenge, put it right here on your leg. So inhale, prepare. Exhale, lift up. The bottom leg does the work. The top leg is just coming along for the ride, squeezing the legs together like they're one, and using that bottom leg to lift. Exhale up, inhale down. So you want to avoid throughout rotating backwards or forward. You just want to stay stacked. And if it's bothering your hips here, you can put a cushion pad or a towel to give you more support there. Keep your obliques lifted. We'll do 1 more after this. Lifting up and coming back down. Good. And then we'll switch to the other side. So get your setup because that's so important. So we're laying on our arm, our palm is face up, our fingers are together. And then we're going to bring our feet forward just a little bit. So we have like that banana shape. And remember to keep your obliques lifted here. And then go ahead and use that bottom leg to lift the top leg up and down. Exhale up, inhale down, keeping those legs together. And you want that dynamic sensation from your fingertips to your toes, that you have this elongated energy just reaching away. And let's just do 2 more. Again, you can play with it, challenging yourself throughout. And you will probably notice that one side is more challenging than the other. And that is side lifts.